Well, a little new addition, Theo Smarty. What that is, well, some people call them a spinner wheel. Some people call them a suicide knob. And why did they put that on there? Well, you know, I have them portable hand controls. Haven't came for a test run yet, because I wanted to get this on there first. I got this on there. Geez, what an excuse. You know, my hand controller right there. I'm working at it, you know, a little bit of time. Right now I'm going out for my afternoon ride. Come back and be sort of busy doing a little this, that, whatever, nothing. And take my legs off and just kick back, listen to some of my music, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. See y'all later.